Here's what the typical workday looks like for most of us, most of the time. As Manoush Zomorodi tells us in her TED Talk, we spend our days typing, swiping, scrolling, and sitting. And then at the end of the day, we ask ourselves, where did all my energy go? Well, all that time sitting and looking at a screen doesn't do our bodies good. Sitting causes kinked arteries, resulting in bad blood flow. Our posture results in shallow breathing, and staring at a screen interrupts our interoception, our ability to pay attention to what's going on inside our body and respond to what it needs. The good news is there's a simple solution to those issues. The taking of movement breaks, where you stand up, get away from the screen, and move your body. Ideally, 5 minutes every 30 minutes. That is indeed a lot of breaks. But even if it ends up being 5 minutes every hour, or even every 2 hours, you'll still see some benefits. How might you take those breaks? You could go for a stroll, maybe just around the office, but you get bonus points if you go outside because of the benefits that come from fresh air and exposure to nature. If you need to stay where you are, you could simply march in place, even during a Zoom call, even while watching YouTube videos. You could have a mini dance party, put on a few good songs, and move your body. When you take those movement breaks, you will see improvements in your mood, your energy, your focus, and even your productivity. Those 5 minutes spent moving will make the next 30 minutes of work that much better. Not to mention the benefits in your overall health, like lowering your cholesterol. These ideas come from a TED Talk given by Zomorodi titled "Sitting All Day is Killing You. Here's What to Do About It." For more of the details, do go watch the talk yourself. And if you'd like to learn how to take visual notes like what you've seen here, check out the resources at verbaltovisual.com. For your next movement break, why not stand up, go over to the whiteboard, or grab some poster paper, and sketch out whatever you're thinking about or working on. Thanks for watching.